Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to heal your character. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the screen. Right here we've got our Amitoi. This Amitoi uses World Tree leaves. They will automatically heal us when our health level reduces from 100% below 90 or whatever you selected. We can select Amitoi Auto Heal right here in settings. Amitoi Recovery. Also, we can use potions like Recovery Crystal and food to heal. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.